to get you on this battery. Damn. What do? Press the daggone wrong button. With my fingers not known. Okay. We're changing the cam sensors here. Push that. Get that out of there. Did not know that. So I saw it on YouTube last night. Changing the cam sensors out because we had a faulty engine light. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yep, you can see it. Barely. You can see it. Oh. One. Boy, that thing is ugly. Look at that. Ugly, ugly. People don't know how to change doggone their oil. This engine oil was terrible when I took it out. Blacker than black. People just don't know that the engine's life depends on that oil change. Next door neighbor lives downstairs here below me. She don't know how to change oil. She ain't changed oil on her car in 3 years, and I put 2 quarts in it the other day or last week sometime, and she just don't do it. Well, I had people that used to do that all the time for me. So since you don't have people do it, well, you just don't do it, do you? So, and then a woman at work, same thing. She ain't changed oil in 2 years. She got a Mercedes. Yep, it's just really bad. Men are the same way though. So that's that one. Get that one straight out. Straight out. That's nasty too. Alright. Ain't saying mine ain't better, but since that's what they call them for, camshaft sensor replacements. We are going to find out here in a little bit if it's that. If it ain't, well, we did all this for nothing. I think that's what it is. Alright, put that back on. Put that back on. Alright. And let's go crank the car up. Let's see what we're going to get. Alright. See if the engine light stays on. Yes, it does. Stays on. Well, I guess that wasn't the problem then. And my crankshaft sensor is missing on the other car. On the other engine. Have no idea where I put that thing. Lord, okay. Let's try to figure out something else. Well, we see that didn't work. I'm going to end the video here. See y'all later.